Here I am at the Christmas City Classic. Excited for the race, gonna have a great time, and test out this baby. Hey, how's it going? This is week 2 with running with the Fossil Sport. I'm testing out the GPS features with the inbuilt GPS, not with it tethered to my phone. So doing battery tests that way, seeing which way works the best, which way it works as far as some accuracy, but more so just the battery life. It will track what I need it to track. So we'll see how this 5-miler goes. Hey! Halfway through, feeling pretty good. It's a lot of fun. Watch, it's going great. See you at the finish line. Finish, 5 miles, 30, I don't remember how long. I'll post about that. Yeah, 5 miles, felt good. Started off about 91%, ended at about 78%. I can't do math right now. It's like 12, 13 something percent. So I'm not gonna do the math right now, but it was good. I like being able to see my time. Using the GPS on the watch is much more accurate as far as seeing your real-time stats than on the phone. I don't know why. So that's my initial thoughts. I'm gonna sign off and drink some more water. Talk to you soon. And now everybody's favorite part of the video, it's exciting spreadsheet data. So here we are. We're looking at week 2. This is my week 1. And this week I ran using the GPS, not on the phone, but on the watch primarily. The only big problem with that is that I have to physically, on the phone, I have to disable the connection from my phone to the watch. So here we are. I ran 4 days a week, starting percentages and the distance. Basically, this is the data that we're looking at. The battery per minute, 0.32, 0.4, 0.36. So compare it with last week, it looks like it uses slightly more battery. I don't know what happened this day, 0.5. That was a lot. So basically, it looks like it uses the same amount of battery, and it looks like I'll be able to complete a 4-hour marathon this high day. I will be able to complete 3 hours, so that wouldn't cut off halfway through the marathon. I added another column here that says average battery per minute for the week. The first week it was 0.34% per minute, and this week it looks like 0.39%. So that's not too bad. Personally, I might just use a combination of the GPS on the watch and the GPS on the phone. Next week, I'm going to try a combination of a different watch face. I'm going to disable tilt to awake, and I'm going to try some different apps. Let me know what apps you think I should try out. Week 2 review, conclusion. I think I like this watch. I didn't get a Garmin specifically because I wanted more smartwatch stuff and change watch faces and design my own and all that stuff that comes with a smartwatch. I like the battery life. I started using it on ambient display or always on display, turning off tilt to wake, and I'm getting at least 24 hours out of it. I charge every night anyways. I find the battery life while running not bad. Will I use only GPS? and disconnect from my watch. Well, that's the problem, is that I have to disconnect from my watch when I do it. I have to, it's this big thing, and when I disconnect from the watch, I have to turn on my tunes separately on my phone, and then I can't control it from my watch, which is why I got a smartwatch. So most of the time I'll probably be using the GPS on my phone, and the GPS on the watch I'll only use in spare situations. The battery drain is about the same, about 3% or so for every 10 minutes. Technically that will get you through a marathon, a 4-some-hour marathon. What I'm hoping for is that sport mode will be enabled, and I'll be able to track ultras and whatever with my watch, and then when I'm done I'll still have like 50% or whatever, be able to go about and just charge it when I get back. So it's good stuff. Let me know what you want me to test out. Let me know any apps you think I should try out. Battery drain, I'm gonna try out some different parameters next week, turning off tilt to wake, turning off different things, trying different watch faces. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.